Hello guys, what's up? This is Crypto Ray here. How's it going out there? I'm gonna be giving you a quick tutorial today on how you can withdraw money from your Binance trading account to your fiat account. So that's your bank account, wherever you are in the world. I think the processes to do this are same. So you need to pay attention if you're new, and if you're new on this platform or this channel and you enjoy watching some more videos or this video in particular, you can just hit the subscribe button, and whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see. You get a notification in your mail. Yeah, so also, if you want to trade, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to participate in airdrops and all that, then you can just go back to some of my old videos on this particular channel, and they're going to be putting you through the process on how to do all that. So first, when you want to pull out money from your Binance trading account to your bank account or your fiat account, this is what you need to do first. You need to have at least a balance in your account. So I'm just going to click on overview, and then I'll see what I have in my Binance account. Okay, so right now I have $97 in my Binance account, and this I just converted this. Like, I've been withdrawing and all, withdrawing because market at least makes sense right now, makes little sense. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on where it says fiat and spot. I'll just click here. So once I click there, you see already I have for 7,182 naira. Oh god, that's not good money here, but you might be thinking that's a lot of money, but it's not really a lot. So this is what you do. You just once you click there, because I'm here. If I was in another place, I would have converted it to that particular currency. Like, let's say I'll use Australia for example. So I would have converted to Australian dollar, then I'll put it back in my bank account. But because I'm using Nigerian bank account, so I'm just going to convert. I've already converted my USDT to Nigerian um, naira, so I'm going to withdraw this direct into my bank account. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just hit on withdraw here. Oh god, you can see my account, or you can see history. Blah, 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 blah. This is what I've been pulling out. All Binance is rate is gold, is gold. So oh good, yeah, that was bygone. So once you come here, you just click on the Nigerian naira, and this is it here. It says bank transfer. You see, okay, no problem. You need to leave it on bank transfer. So I'm just gonna click here now. Pam. Okay, it says minus must impute integers only. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the floating points out, or what they call. I'm just gonna take these guys out. I'm gonna take these guys out. Pump. I've taken those out. So now what I'll get is for 6,082. So what I'll do now is I'll just click on continue. So I'm gonna click on confirm withdrawal. So it says I'm blah 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 blah. I need to confirm. So I'm gonna confirm. So once I confirm the transaction, they ask me to send the verification to my email and also my phone number. So I'm just gonna click on send, and I'll click on send here. So the Oh yes, the one on my phone has entered already, so I'm just gonna put it 0195553. Oh, sorry, that's the one from me. So I'm just gonna copy it and put it back here. So I'm gonna check my mail on my phone now and see what I received. You have to be very fast doing this. I just received it, so I'm gonna clean the first one up, and it says 10 or 8 or 259. But remember, this is one-time password, so you don't have a problem. Whatever it is, just one-time password. So I'll just click on submit, and boom, it says withdrawal order submitted. So it's almost instant, but sometimes takes 5 to 30 minutes before it enters your bank account. But it's process very very fast. So I think that's about how to withdraw from your trading account to your fiat or your bank account. It's very easy. So I'm just waiting for an alert that will come in very soon. So if you enjoyed watching this video, if this tutorial helped you through your problems and all that, you can just give me a comment below, and I'll reply ASAP. So thank you all for watching. See you on my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.